Hello, Pike Road. Happy New Year. Here we are about to begin a brand new year. Wow, 2024 is going to be exciting in Pike Road because we know you will continue to make sure you invest in your community the way you always have. Thank you for what you've done, and we're looking forward to this year ahead. And we kick off this year with some excitement just right out of the box. And don't forget, if you want to be involved in any of our enhanced committees, all you have to do is email us at info@pikeroad.us and let us know. From agriculture to natural resources to recreation to health-related activities to all of the things that we do in the arts, you have a place. Let us know and we will include you and engage you and help you find your niche in Pike Road. And with that said, we want to make sure that you know that we're going to be closed on the 29th of December and we're going to reopen on January 2nd. So we'll give our team a chance to enjoy the New Year celebration and have a little bit of refreshing before they get back into full swing here on January 2nd. So keep that in mind. Also, don't forget that if you still have your Christmas tree and you want to recycle it, you can drop it off there near Founders Station. There is a roped off area. Just make sure you take all your ornaments and anything that might not be good for the environment off your tree, because these are going to be recycled and used in ways to enhance our ponds and other areas throughout Pike Road. So make sure you do that, and we appreciate our partners who work with us so well as we take care of all of your special needs. Also, don't forget that we have continued activities with our Arts Council all the time, coming up with new ways for you to be involved. January 18th and 19th is a water-soluble oil painting workshop, kicking the year off with one of the most traditional Southern art-related activities you could possibly do, and that is oil painting. So make sure that you are connected to that. You can go to pikeroad.us and find out all the details, and you can sign up so you make sure your slot is available, and that's the 18th and the 19th of January. And also on January 25th, working with our Agriculture and Stewardship Committee and our friends at Extension, we're hosting another fun event where you get to take something home. Home Tweet Home, a bluebird house and habitat workshop where you're actually going to build your own bluebird house. And what a great thing to have in your yard or on your land is bluebirds. How beautiful they are. And we want to show you how to do that and help you understand how that part of our nature works to enhance other aspects of our community. So thank you for doing that. Again, go to pikeroad.us, check out the website, you get all the details, and you can sign up, and it's on January 25th. Don't forget, those fill, so make sure you sign up early. And then we want to just also remind you how thankful we are for your participation in the season of giving. Now that's behind us now. We're moving forward into a new year, but thank you. Thank you for sharing of your blessing to make sure we bless other people who so much appreciate what we do through the Pike Road Central and Central Alabama Veterans Groups. We are able to help individuals who have served on our behalf, and through the work of Woodland and the Woodland Methodist Church and their food pantry, we're able to serve families. They served over 100 families in Pike Road, specific families, during this season. We are so thankful that those families were served by your contributions and your effort to provide for them throughout the season of giving. So thank you for doing that. Pike Road, you have so many ways blessed each other for your engagement, for your willingness to participate. As this year begins and we start into all the fun activities, make sure that you are letting us know what you're doing, how you're out and about throughout the community. Send us your stories. Make sure you take some pictures. Send them to info@pikeroad.us or tag us and make sure we know all the cool things you're doing and ways you're making a difference. Pike Road, you're a wonderful place to serve as the mayor, and I thank you for that opportunity. We will continue to pray for you, and we ask that you pray for each other.